Good morning, sir.
Yeah, good morning.
Sir, please, I'm sorry to disturb you this morning. Please, sir, if you take a good look at me, you know that I'm not a beggar. Sir, please, I was on my way to Lagos this morning when they robbed us at Ore. So they took my money, took our phones. I had to trek back from Ore, back to Benin. Sir, please, anything you can help me with so that I can transport myself back to Lagos to go and meet my family. Please, sir. Anything at all. Sir, I'm talking to you, sir. Hello, sir. Please, anything at all you can help me with, sir.
Some of you are just evil. Some of you are worse than Hitler.
Take. That's what I do for you. Hey! If one native doctor cook, another native doctor could come out for fire.
God have mercy upon us.